Potato chips are made through a simple but carefully controlled process in factories to make them crispy, thin, and flavorful. Here are the main steps. 1. Selecting the potatoes. Factories choose special varieties of potatoes that have low sugar and high starch. These types fry better and produce crispy, golden chips instead of dark or burnt ones. 2. Washing and peeling. The potatoes are placed in large washing machines to remove dirt and stones. After washing, machines peel the potatoes using abrasion rollers or steam. 3. Slicing the potatoes. The peeled potatoes are fed into high-speed slicers that cut them into very thin slices, usually about 1 to 2 millimeters thick. Thin slices are what give chips their signature crunch. 4. Rinsing the slices. The potato slices are rinsed with water to remove extra starch. This helps prevent the slices from sticking together and keeps them from turning to dark during frying. 5. Frying. The slices move into large industrial fryers filled with hot vegetable oil. Around 175–190 degrees Celsius, 347–370 degrees Fahrenheit. They cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning crispy and golden. 6. Removing excess oil. After frying, the chips travel on a conveyor, where air blowers remove excess oil so they are not greasy. 7. Seasoning. While still warm, the chips tumble in rotating drums where salt and flavors like cheese, barbecue, sour cream, or chili are added evenly. 8. Packaging. Finally, the chips are weighed and sealed in bags filled with nitrogen gas. The nitrogen keeps chips fresh and crunchy and prevents them from breaking.